What's up, YouTube? Hey, sometimes you just gotta yell at a bunch of people and you don't want to throw your voice out. So from FiFine, what is this? FiFine Technology. Y'all know I've reviewed a lavalier microphone from them before. Turns out that microphone was awesome. So we're gonna see how this one works right here. This is actually a remote lavalier microphone setup. So we got a receiver here with your little antenna. Let me get in a little closer. So you got your receiver here, right? This is your receiver. It takes, I do believe this is AAA batteries right here. I got some rechargeables in here. I wish you could do it via USB or, yeah, I wish you had like a lithium ion in there, but it doesn't. It's all right, FiFine, we'll get it someday. But you got your radio frequency indicator right here. So when you turn that on, the little green light comes on. And then when it actually syncs up with something, it's red. So this is actually turned on. So let's turn it back off. And then you have your antenna right here. That's just to give it a little bit of a range boost, which we're going to test in just a moment. But then you have your standard mic input right here. You just jam that in your microphone input from your audio source, in which we have right there. That's the black web speaker that I reviewed before. If y'all seen that video before, you can catch me singing. It is the highlight of your day, I guarantee it. But check that video out later. But right now we're still talking about this mic. Anyway, FiFine Technologies K037 wireless microphone. Now, for the second part, this is actually the transmitter, okay? So let's put this down. And then we have this transmitter. So it's got like a little belt clip right here. And we have this is actually the power on button. So you press and hold this. Let's turn it off real quick. Then it takes two AA batteries. Got my rechargeables right there. Once again, USB lithium ion battery. Okay, I wish it had that. But then you got your belt clip right there. You got some company branding. Nothing else around there. You do have an LED indicator, which we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on right here. Once it's on, you'll get some frequencies. Man, it's got a ton of frequencies. So what happens is, when you turn on your receiver and your transmitter together, okay, so this green light is actually gonna turn red now. That means it's synced up. But you have a button right here to change your frequency. Once you change that frequency, it flashes, you see it flashing. It syncs up so fast. And you can actually reset it if you need to. Now to the lavalier microphone. So you have this little push button right here to release the microphone. That way it just doesn't come flying out when you don't want it to. But you got your plug right there. You just line that up and plug it in just like that. And you have plenty of cord. Let's go ahead and plug this thing up right here. All right, we're gonna plug it in the side of here, just like this, where the mic goes. Yeah, that's the mic input. And you hear that. You hear that feedback. All right, so now let's unwind this. That's loud. That's really loud. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me bring in my special guest. Get in here, Andrea. All right, so I'm gonna test this thing out with my girl, Andrea. We do fitness classes. This girl does not need a microphone at all. She might be small, but she's got gigantic lungs. I don't have that privilege, okay? So we're gonna let her test it. Wait, should I let you yell into this thing? You're gonna blow my speaker out.
I hope not.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little range test and we're gonna do a sound test real quick. So you go ahead and you clip this to yourself.
Okay.
Clip it right there.
Here.
And then you just hold on to that. You can speak into it or put it on your shirt, whatever you're gonna do. Hold on, wait a minute, not yet.
Okay.
We're gonna get some feedback.
All right.
I don't want the microphone feedback. You gotta go. Get away.
Gotta go.
Go down that way. All right, so here we go. Let's turn it up. Okay, go for it.
Testing, testing.
Okay.
Wow.
Sing me a song.
That's clear.
You ain't gonna drop no bars.
I don't have bars.
Okay, so y'all ready? Y'all wanna do a range test real quick? Let's do a range test. Okay, so now we're doing the range test. Andrew's gonna walk way over there by her car, which is kind of far away. I don't know how it looks on camera, but she's going out there. Go ahead and go, and then she's gonna drop some bars real quick.
Oh yeah. Hello. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. It is still working off of me.
That is so loud.
Testing, testing.
Okay. That is so loud. All right, I'm sorry my girl didn't drop no bars today.
Sorry. Not today.
Not today, but maybe on the next video. We are hot and sweaty. It's time to go home, shower, and eat some food. But look, the FiFine, get this off you. The FiFine wireless microphone, man, I say it's a go. It's not waterproof, so we can't be sweating all over this thing. But seriously, if you need to yell at a bunch of people and you can't be hanging out by your speaker, this is the way to go, especially for the price. I think it's a durable product and it actually works. But check this out, we ain't experts in this kind of stuff. We just like yelling at people from a distance. But before I get out here, y'all go ahead and tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all at the next one.
Bye.